Now, dear students, till now we have designed our footprint of our slide switch, OS series slide switch. But now, if we see our footprint in 3D viewer, you can see over here there is nothing specified that which pin number is 1, in which direction this switch should be inserted. Like if you see in the data sheet, if you swap your pins, like if by mistake the where should be pin number 1, there you insert pin number 6. In both the ways the toggle this slide switch is symmetrical, so either way this can be inserted in our PCB. So how we can specify that which pin number is 1, which is pin number 2, 3, so and so forth. So let me close this 3D viewer, go to, this is our footprint. So there are 3 methods which I have seen in my career of PCB designing. That first of all, the one way is that you change the pin number 1 from circular shape to rectangular shape, the pad 1 from circular. So click on this pad 1, hit E, and you can change its shape from pad shape circular to rectangular and hit OK. Now in this way the uniqueness of the pad specifies that this is the pin number 1 of the toggle of the slide switch. Like if you see over here, the pin number 1 is over here, then you will insert your pin number 1 over here. In this way the switch will fit in exactly the same position as of its footprint. So click save. This is one way to specify the pin pad 1 of your footprint. Let's see in the 3D viewer. So in this way you can identify that this rectangular pad is pin number 1. So let's close this. Let me tell you the another method. Let's just make a duplicate of this, so that click over here and hit duplicate footprint, and you can see that it's _1. Let's rename it, and I can say for my identification square, or I say rectangular means pin number 1 is rectangular, and hit OK. So this is one way you can specify pin number 1. So let's go back to this. It save changes and into pin number 1. The other method is, let's edit this and switch this back to circular shape, circular, and hit OK. And the other method is you can write over here pin number 1 in the silk screen. For doing that, first of all, let me select the front silk screen, and in this add text item, click over here, and you can add over here pin number 1 and hit OK and place pin number 1 over here. So this is another way to specify the pin number 1 of your footprint. Hit OK. Let me show you in 3D viewer. So in this way you can see that your component pin number 1 will be inserted over here. So let's just make a copy of this, make a duplicate footprint, and let's name this, as text and hit OK. I am making copy of all these because we will be using in the next video these footprints, so we can compare these all footprints. So let's click over here, let's just save changes. Now the next method is, let me remove this text. The next method is, you may probably see this in the footprints, that in the front cell screen, choose polygon, and you see over here like, and like this, an arrow like this. This arrow, let's hit E, and it's solid field shape, hit OK. Now in this way you can also specify the pin number 1. So let's also see this in 3D viewer. So in this way you can see that where arrow is pointing, it's the pin number 1. Close this. So these are the 3 methods which you mostly will see that specifies which one is the pin number 1 of your footprint. This one is the rectangular one, this is the text, and this is the arrow pointing towards the pin number 1. So hit save. So today we have seen how we specify the orientation of your footprint, so that your component fits exactly into the same pins or pads of the footprint.